106.9. Kasia bono nie. Eha na yenyina yetie.
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamama kwapa. Efi to America ne share yen ego Facebook and FNC YouTube. Na me wafa se champion Taylor Dabente no. Yemfa kasebo no enchiremu ensum. Yensha kasebo na se enfemfiri Ghana mampani. John Dramani Mahama. Ghana mampani e de abasoboy mu oden e de abo Omai Ghana ye chief of staff yem papa Julius Debra Ochirema papai no nukure die na ho brase na doye edenim kan ye pa wo mra obesom Ghana emire bi atwa mu mponi modem bone akani ho modernity no aboa pa mene Omai Ghana kanie etimi akonkan ye pa na Ghana mampeni echirem say wo hwe yem papa chief of staff Julius Debra modem bo e wo mra edi kan obesom Omai Ghana na obadwumadin ye pa Ghana man enya ne somfa so pie ne aka ho Ghana man ye kwayanim ewo puntu ekwansom Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama eden send to dwa emra yem papa chief of staff Julius Debra na odi ne finhia de toso aduasia ewo ho na asesoma na oye ewo Pentecost International Worship Center PWC ewo Trasako ewo kusiade twamendradam na eyem oforiso bosoma yebo ne toso aduonu nsia ewo mfempemienu ne aduonu ensia na dwumade asonko atesa na nyase mekuma kram ina nipa piko bia omampeni ebedije professor Jen na no poku agyeman ekoyem senior government officials mpenifuo opinion of the chokro no kopie mu a na enyase mekuma bia ekwama no ne tirenkwa ene awoda pam na dwumade ne kwaso na Ghana mampeni ede nsem atu dwasem wo hwe yam papa Julius Debra Modempa aka na oyo titenani edema ND Samanyoko no ewe apie mantem mekire ya Eastern Regional Chairman edema National Democratic Congress obodwumadin ye pam ansana obepa no abeboa besom wona memwo mum Ghana mampeni echirem sem papai enya nidia pi edifri free sem ohwe ne modern bo na ekonka na nyasemwa ne senti odikan epo ne di omra besom ye se Ghana mampeni miri bi atwa no ema ne beye oswafo no hwe oman Ghana nkurase amemwo esom ana afin so ahini eje seye so wo man obebo adwumadin ye pa na nyasem kuma kram enu tira Ghana mampeni echirem sem osan beye omampeni otosumi no hu setapi yepe obi eme wa ben ne pa ne twotwomutwo na wa beboa no e ne staff wo no modiam no ni minyamfo chief of staff ya papa Julius Debra ene safatante papa yi wada zuban pedi na bekoso de nukure abo Ghana mpuntu akonkan.
Met him a little way back when he was Eastern Regional Chairman of our party. And at the time, I had been made Vice President. I've been made running mate. And so I went with him to campaign. And I took note of his calm nature, efficiency, affable friendliness. He commanded the executive in Eastern Region, not because they were afraid of him, but because they respected him. And so I took note of him. And so when the opportunity came, I first sent him to local government as my minister. I'd become a bit frustrated with local government. There was too much technocracy there. And I wanted a certain thing done, street naming and house numbering. And so I looked around and I said, look, I know the person who can do this. And so I sent Julius to the local government ministry. In 3 months, anywhere in the country I went, there were street names, house numbers. He's kind, he's generous. Julius will share his last resource with anybody who comes up to him. We wish you a happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Senior Citizens Club. From now, you are 60 and above. You are supposed to behave in a certain way. No more asaboni dancing. And as Apostle Nyamich said, you must behave nobly and walk gently and do everything like a senior citizen.
Eni awoti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama. Nanuachi ena chief of staff Edmo my Ghana. Yam papa Julius Debra efa akasemu ana wochirema. Ghana mampeni beremo boata John Dramani Mahama. Nanka na onyana danfo kram. No nimene babia na mom oton sa friend so meso na ban mu ena ma anyanko fa kese beda wo ntem ochirema ever since Ghana mampeni ema ne ben no wonye ne mu ne pa ono otumi ben ne di nkomo kama mampeni de ne hia na menya mam onna nantipi ene Ghana man peni omumie no tu kwan po no mudu baabi na se koba sei omkoda baabi kura bomu a omampeni nsu akiri omane ben pa enti Ghana man peni an wanwade akese te sade amane dia oda na se ne we ma ono nso wasebie ne omanga ne company for mosmo manya oka ho bie.
But let me talk briefly about President Mahama. To be very honest with you, he wasn't my friend. I was just his worker. And then one day he decided to make me his local government minister. So that was the first time that I had a very close encounter with him. And I went to ask him, Your Excellency, please, what exactly do you want me to do at local government? And then he gave me my marching orders. Ever since, we became friends. And one thing that I believe will amaze most of you is that anywhere in this country where they have private residence, when we travel, he ensures that I stay in the same house with him. They never allow me to stay in a hotel. And even when we stay in a hotel, he ensures that either my room is next to his or my room is directly opposite him. Mr. President, thank you for making me who I am today.
Any awoti ye ayo my Ghana ye chief of staff Oniminyam for Julius Debra and awoti nini yantu akase bono so yankwa nim ne PMM ewo titina ni chairman at the Mother Church of Pentecost Apostle Eric Kwabena Yameche na nsambe to dwa se openi ekasa yem na o my Ghana wo hwa babia yensu aduro na ne manyina agensere pene pataku o manyimu na ha adwen na tete nipa edumpempenso a nsode ebo mmodin akwatwe akra e matwede amponyankopon a ehu behia se bo mmodin aba o masu ehye eja oba ene mkonkro dimu eno so behia nsuo na se wokwa o man Ghana ememe ahodo a galamsey ekoso a akwa jensere pene pataku chese yenya nsuo ennom yenya bimpo na sofo atwe akra wonom ade abasu ne senti otitira ni chairman adema the Church of Pentecost Apostle Eric Kwabena meche de sadu tudwa ede fa hom ewa ma soro no edi wonom 40 eye 8 eye dwumade soronko amo adwanwina aso ne kanko ene mpuntuo ho ewo PCC Pentecost Convention Center na ode nsam tudwa sem na nsan obesre Ghana man peni ene wom ka biewom Ghana nso we bia duro no agensire pene pataku ha adwen ye pi ne center obesre empenifo si fom prekope na momfa mo nan fancy fom na galamsey no yentu ase Ghana akuafo efi nso asofo ne bre edu asubu amunya nso mfa masu to obesre pam ensem to odwa pe ena Chief Executive Officer at the Ghana Free Zones Authority. Yama me Dr. Mavis Ewisi esi form ena okotena Accra FM. Ene mwa fase ene na no tu da akon twetwen kwamam ene okirema Apostle Eric Kwabena meche. Se wonim na osi form na ne ye pe so menyonia. Ye be kire wo pa ma hunu say yes Ghana ne ye wono. Osafo de o kasa galamsey o ka ho asema ye den. Abane da atwa mi wa hunu galamsey ukwa mmea ahodo a ebada ne team pampa enso nyina sɛ wonyina yanim niam ekoso wantumi amwagwa ewo hom nene Ghana man peni pem opoata John Dramani Mahama pa de nhyepa gwa kwamane galamsey enso na ne nyina etia edi enti nene obeka nsem wei edi afa hom na den nsem wei kwaso a na ndrada enyasem kuma emra o my Ghana ye chief of staff yamba pa Julius Debra na odina woda ewo the Church of Pentecost asodem eno bunkotodwe wo form eno ka kire chairman at the Mother Church of Pentecost Apostle Eric Kwabena meche papa mesra wada bijiram wafa se bam Chief Executive Officer at the Ghana Free Zones Authority Dr. Mavis Ewisi evisa Ghana man peni ne body din ente me kamemgo no ho menso me the Church of Pentecost ni mama pa afei minister for local governments and afei so chieftaincy affairs oniminyamfo Ibrahim Ahmed honestly a Pentecost elder empenifo pi na omoka memo ho ye Pentecost for asaba me akan sabe wudi kwasi bone ana krama bone kwafu ma utukusi funahu ne santi asam bone na bai de okan yi wanka ne ye kura enya sa na nkopɛ so kan ma no fom twere pro enti obesere kotodwagu fom sadan sayam onfanche na de asei obepa ne chopam den se wato odwa pɛ na Apostle ele Kwabena me kyerem se ode ache no oni asem bi aka ne yandi kan kotie nsem akodo am Apostle ele Kwabena me kye edo to dwa ansana Dr. Ewisi Mary eden samba to dwa penisi sabe yedu amanfo so na yakaya no yentie nkoma hodo we course ansana ensemo nyina ebeba.
Environmental degradation and galamsey menace. The extensive pollution of water bodies due to illegal mining has hampered traditional water baptism in some mining communities, necessitating a shift to synthetic rubber pools in several districts to carry out the ordinance. Retention of souls. While we give glory to God for the multiple of souls won, a critical challenge, unfavorable rainfall patterns, and the deterioration of cocoa farms have disestablished the livelihood of members who depend on agriculture and farming. These unpredicted environmental conditions, along with the seasonal migration of fisher folks, continue to impact the steady financial growth and stability of affected local assemblies. Human capital constraints and literacy gap. High rate of illiteracy among some members and officers remain a barrier to the effective implementation of Vision 2028. This challenge is reportedly evident in the Bible study and home cell meetings, where there is insufficient pool of teachers to manage the manual and ensure effective discipleship. Leadership overburdening and commitment challenge. In many local assemblies, a few dedicated individuals are often saddled with multiple roles, leading to operational inefficiency and burnout. This overload makes the full implementation of the corporate mandate and Vision 2028 difficult.
Any awoti ye a apostle Eric Kwabra Nyameche otitirani e the Church of Pentecost. Asem odi kan ya akwatwe akwane akwatwe aba ekofa nsamba ye no eniem. Na no wachina doctor Awisi Mary Free Zones Chief Executive Officer and some of the two bianos yenkwetie bi mra sisi a.
Oye nyame nipa. Oh no hear you Pentecost head and the chairman. Na make us oye nyame nipa. Yes. The better no. Then next time. Okay. Ma form to that level. Voting one. The catch him. Yes. From Free Zones authorities. From me, Dr. Maria, we say yes. Say next time we won't descend it to that level. More further. So descending back from the whole politician, we would deal with him as a politician. As someone like you, yeah, they need Diamano. They need Diamano this time. So yeah, Nyamini. Say what I say? And young ones, and one is so sad and come a candle kind. Young person may say, you need Diamano. So yeah, Pentecost for chairman. Okay. Sakasana or Kasayano, a highly political statement. Who's that? Yes. How? Nanado, Etiasino, Ati Akunyasono. Na oko Enquires mining communities na. Na enso let them pampa. Utumi de wonsasa ne gu nsem. And let them pampa. No Ghana ha na no Ghana. Oh no Ghana. Na Ghana ha na oni Ghana. No Ghana. Ohun ya na wa hu. Ohun ye. Energy mo buy ye measures are put in place. Enso no afei etimi rane. Stability level. Etimi flow. No fire. Eti wontimi ntina ho nka nche se hu difference. Ebia wo enso ni mu. Ensuo na ni ate inflow say na another time na ensuo no inflow it is a way sofo na say asem a da ho a ye nokre wo se wo beyi wa sofo ntade ato ho afa political dress as a political lens akasa next time you be treated as a politician this time you're the best pen yes no ohwe so ni sofo djuma
aha and some way and a Free Zones Chief Executive Officer Free Zones Authority ya mame Dr. Mary Awisi the two jam. And what yan some ne kwaso ba na dia Ghana for kasa no de krataba bonten say. Na no kwatwa. De okan ye no Ghana for se wafuma. Opachew ensi hwam. Na no enendrada Chief of Staff na woda soronko e kwaso ani gia ba. Ye hu answer senior man akwaje microphone. Ena one apostle. Every Kwabranya Meche chairman at the Church of Pentecost. Wasrana danidium. And said and sayem, Kotodwe ekita kotodwum, on fan said yes, say, Ojina NDC party nemu, any yama doctor. And we see Mary and Nemu, Epa, as a funina chow. Way, what from on fanche. Oye Yaminipa. Oh, debut, ye pe yam papa Julius Debra and in Ankasa.
The chairman of our church, you know, myself, Honorable Elder Ofuswampofo, our local government minister, and several others are members of your church. A few days ago, one of our colleagues, Dr. Mary Awisi, slipped a bit DLFM against you. And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday to let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It wasn't intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you will forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God richly bless all of you.
Emo yao enti eni a woti ye endrada asoda mu pam ena o my Ghana ye chief of staff yam papa Julius Etebra otini so say ya say yesofu pani mu a ena me wofa asi etene warning sa no oso fa chewate pani se sabe oba eja ne nan egu sire so a yentwa epepa ehwa pe eno titina ni at the Church of Pentecost apostle obe kwabra ya meche so regina hodom eno ofa microphone so me wofa ase me nua bai me nini asem me obi bi kan cause of point se me anka emra hodo a menya anya me kasa adwumade ase anka me kan bi fa ho me ni bibia tia no na mom wabo pa bende the Church of Pentecost asore no wa pagya me se yedin wo krompa me anka sanso as chairman apostle ole kwabra nya meche wa trend me bruta me dia che bibia ne ho biu. As for this
lady, she has made me more popular. Yeah, people like that, I don't think about them. Yeah, because she's just made our church and myself more popular. If I held anything against her, like standing here to speak for 45 minutes, I would have said something about her. But I think that we all have our opinions on issues. And so let's just forget about this.
DLFM 106.9.
So I've forgiven her. And so don't worry. I want your heart to be to rest and enjoy this day.
Any awuti ye a chairman at the Church of Pentecost Apostle Eric Kwabra Nyameche and awuti ninken. India Semano or the Ache Edrubia Enkadem. Kasiabono eye official.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yantua Kasiabon se fe ni fenchire mwem. Ewo omampeni ebede chire Vice President Yama Mejen Nana Opoku Ajman Her Excellency. Wabon homaden pam Ede Kechi. Yama me echire mi se Ghana mampeni beremo boata ene na ben epese wono boa se be ye o Ghana de hia wono mabusua eka nomi ne ohia nemi achechira abusua na kapre emontoma no na dama womoje tusere nti no opese wo boa na obi mpo ansa bi oni bi no ono nso ne ba okọ school no obunisa watuma bibi e de siesie ne hom Yama me echire mi se wo hwe o Ghana enhyehyɛ pa Ghana mampeni beremo boata John Dramani Muhammad Yagwa na wa supporto eye ya mofra mu kosko mo ya mayam efre ya primary 5 ekopem eye senior high school no mabu o nsa no na bibia tumi akonkan se be ya pempenso bi tunam bu o nsa mu kosko no eto atwumi atwam ya ma me vice president said to dwamram na ode sanitary pass ahodo cheche o my Ghana adisua from kosko watifere mantem akire mi se we be bo pa mofra adisua atumi akonkan o kire mofra no so be sra wo madom madia hye mawofo ni munyam hyehyɛ pa ban ye ɔde bɔ wɔ mo no homa ban bra nya kwa monyere mo hunsu na da cha my Ghana yenya mo so ɛyɛ mpani pefri sɛ nim sɛ de tebia no mo bɛhyɛ ɔman ɛnim nya mrɛsɛ.
Not because they didn't want to come to school, not because there was a problem, but because their natural bodies were behaving the way they are expected to. Some of us did not think that was a good reason why a girl should mix classes. DLFM. We also saw a connection between that and the reason why the girls were not staying in school and moving up as we knew they were capable of doing. So we thought that if that is the problem, then we should find a solution. So if you remember, we proposed the sanitary pads as a solution. We even went ahead to ensure that the schools had water. We drilled many boreholes and so on to ensure that they had good places to take care of themselves. We also inspected the school bathrooms to ensure that they were adequately provisioned for the girls to take care of themselves. So I want to thank all of you for being here, and I want to encourage the girls, especially you are the ones I'm addressing you this afternoon. Do the best you can. You know you are capable, and that is why your parents have spent their time, their money, and they have placed dreams in you. I know you'll ensure that all of these are satisfied.
Eni a wuti ye Ghana mampeni ebede chire Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman. Yanto akase bano so yenyina mwen. Ewo nkran. Pumpune mantemu na nsemo no. Ebi temu pa nansa na no. Kase bano still na official.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yanto akase bano so yenyina mwen nkran pumpune mantemu dia. Meka so nyina papa de hia. Wanom ewo mayura. Eye owurama ewo ganot. Mensenim Nana kwesi Dakwa otosumienu. Meka say Nana nsaka hene. Oba besom mayura owurama ewo ganot mensenim bibia konkan. Nana echemani so ade hunu pa nte obede nene se opese opoa na mpuntu eba. Nana echiremu a emfie pi ntamuni ena enipa bia benya kwanya abesom se wohene ena omkeke ka ho ananso empudujuma bia mabbo wura mpotem hono ma kasa hwe nkwaso o echire din na de pa bia enkwaso emfa ne manfo nti no pese opoa na ne nyam kase a na matre nkonwa na ne manfo de ahye ni ono so ye na fam de obeye na mpudujuma pi na atumi akwaso na de hye mo no potem hono mo nso omo ho etwen ha wonom na decide to dwamra ono bodwa data a o muse ne hene ewo poku ase mayura urama ewo nkrabopre mantemu na kwasi Dakwa otoso emienu echire mi say ni potem honom empuntuo de na akoma so papa eno ne ade a de na akoma titiriu obeboa na waka ni nuanom ahemfo ho na omi nyina padwumade ahwe ma na matonkonwa atumi ayom de ombe ya bo mpuntuo atimi akonkan o chire ma nsachiraye ebetumi afa ahemfo so aba de ombe ya ba akwa bo mpuntuo atimi akosom na esa de nsam de tudwa echire mi say wo hwe ya mayura oye owurama krodua ni mu a enya semkuma podudwuma pibi ni honom ene ya meka say edu baabi enso hu nsensem na agensere perepeteku ejanabia ayensem pi schools ahodo ya senior high school ebi ni honom aresabia echire din edwadata ya market ebi ni honom ade ba semni baabi mpa won behia abodwadata ayensem pi ene wa chinsu baabi amofra besia kan agropama stadium na de adia bebe ya o membe na wo bia still tefi omini ba kumpo ade adia ene wa chikurampo no akwan bone pa won potem honom na akwan bone eye say ha omo pam na chirem say obese omo ka biewom na matren konwa assembly members unit committee members enma wo kan nyama made yanka momba kona momwa se beya ade sha won mo mayura owurama wo ganot mensin mpunto beba na omo so ehu say yes omo kon my Ghana mpunto ne chechire ho
ekuro no nipa ba ko ntimi nchichiko eye dom ene yede echichiko na se wa ye kuro na se kuro edi more than 300 years mayra edi more than 300 years make catch me 300 years back na se 300 years back na se wa hwe oku awo na unni market unni lorry station unni recreational grounds obi ebenya one plot bi na se we si dan na nkwala ndi aye football park enya de pa a community like this no o se etiminya enema bebre a ebeboa o se enya investors a ombetimi abesi any even skyscrapers asase no hwe a o se ayese gravel sinketinketin o ewo strength a ebetinye akare skyscrapers ewa ha nanso won se de bia ye ka se ade no ede bebi na wan fa ntui a efito enti onipa ono ewia no oba be sei obi ka se odi school ba ha won timi pam se nipa no mechami eko first school ashasi university sanko ba no on pamuno e ma ne koi na you just imagine say you university e wo krom ha za na koi bete nanso sa nanso enka chire enti no the school ba ha won timi pam se nipa no mechami eko first school ashasi university sanko ba no on pamuno e ma ne koi na you just imagine say you university e wo krom ha za na koi bete nanso sa nanso enka chire enti no me no the American say ye ba be pe impuntu e de ama mayiraku
ene impuntu e ba no enya semkuma ade hia mo poku ase mayira ne mpatem e kire din wei eya mo ankasa mo hena fofura mo nsa aka no o kire impuntu ode ba no ese ne kurei ne din e de Nana Kwasi Dakwa otosumienu nanu wachi ana zongo chief fofura so mo nsa aka no e wo mayira owurama eya siriki Abubakar Musa na chirem say obebo adwumadin ye patitiru ne mebunu no enwuma hodo di baabi na agensire penepeteku monsa beka bi mompese musuansan no dwuma muni hawo mompese mu ko school ahodo bia mbetumi akọ ena technical and vocational education and training TVET bebre na ode beba ho matumi agente tie no manyansa no dwuma mapa se be ye bedu baabi no mbetumi de asom eye krodua no o kire me se yemfa ntom anim ba wo pa no obebo adwumaden ye pa mo nso so a munim ade na nso afie nne tese efie no moje da matutre ahokire pa ta mabusuam enya de wa ba wa bai or the scheme scholarship ba wa mmade mo be kwa nkan pa de obefa hoka na watumi anya hode sonko mapa na watumi asom adehia wanom ewo poku ase Myra
ye besi na esi asomdwe ye wo plans bebre ene zongo nkwa ko Myra ko nimina aye pese about education, our health, just hospitals, any schools. Like I say, you should outside on the so that because already this is now okay. Zungo no, you will be brain no problem. This is financial problem, and I have been my education into no any papa. Enti boy and plans must say you will idea you will schema you the boy. Brilliant but needy. Intending na kan ho I dem make sure say obeko school no obi nso ho o hwa school enye ma ejuma eno so ebeboa say ejuma na dey be sha end of the day no yerinya come no na youth be just roaming about keke obia benya bibia ye say ejuma o say education o school ebeboa
eni a woti ye ohene papo no obegyina mu say Zango chief ediama adehia wanom ewo poku ase Myra Owulama ne din ade Siliki Abubakar Musa ena wote nini yenyina weso na adwenkyera amode aba no champion tailor ene makresa mente no yankinka bi na yemfa nsomo na yemprapra kire kura na nadwa sigin na pamfo na adwada enya semwa na ometena se emra emesom yesompa na Facebook ko se na me wofa ase Dola ya jewa jedi abana wa so my house Sammy B or here live at the free Christian village at Chemwater or say glorious a year birthday to Mr. Hitman of DLFM 106.9 Yankupon Sano was Sunday abana was DLFM kasi bono a more day ye a more de passano manam na oyibo boatin the abana say yibo boatin a na lebehe Mr. President Mahama do something about the power outages because recent dimsons the Benyan imagination enti osrega na mampani na dumso no etete omaga na resho yehu bibi lojana buadi eti abana o say good afternoon wa fa Sammy B and adwaje wa ma afternoon we or say in fact o hwe yempa ne bodwumaden esom omaga na osande abasa happy birthday to Mr. Hitman, long life and prosperity mate it was the dear news today is sweet pie more desa no manam na me wa fa say Richard ahwe de abana o say good afternoon Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B or say ade the one at Otafrija bantwe bonana. No, the Abba said DLFM news is official like sweet bed. I was saying like bed meat. You are loud and clear inside Great Station. DLFM next. This is DJ Ghana man. Keep up the good work. Done. Or now pop bam. Edia dear saying no dear kahon edi abam. No Sunday abana was say or the happy birthday pa. Edi man PSC DJ Hitman say yanku ponchani pi no onyane kesiye. Great station DLFM next eno hwen edi frame na koko krache dia paso di for poase ne pa ye na wasi ture in fact ha dwen bibia kire say no ma kwa ne dia in fact nsem bi ha dwen dimso ne ya too much abanmrem na Kofi Parliament dia ban was Ghana is belong to us, let's together and move Ghana forward. Dear news live and clear inside Agunabo Bikuma apameda me what fa say Kofi Parliament ya mention opi say won so awie what day o message no ete abam Kofi bo amena me dia woda ba community ba na monitor na ja yen so na najwa sig na pamfo Kofi Taylor wechire be piane ma na kwam yafum ne sexy emesum yesompa wo DLFM 106.9 na woda na ba kwa ba ba kwa ba me wo fa se comfort mighty o se ne ono ane doba a wante ne hujai twidi ampo yankopon e de afe ba ko aka ne mfie ho enti me wo fa se kuma nya me nkyere opini a woda no nya ne so nkokra me wo fa se we ma de efu wow enti o kire ma ne pa ne din e de kroy wow me wo fa se ba kroy nya me nkyere opi wa woda no nya ne so nko nya me nkyere opi kwatente onyini chemu ode ena yesre e de ama ho happy glorious birthday to me wo fa se kuma ani den e de kroy nya me nkyere opi we every wo mada wade anyina comfort mati ona o se yemfa woda so nko we no yemfa emana me wo fa se brabra kwanten e wa santimantim kumas totoboa sa na kakra mesi ne fomenche o se happy birthday enkonfa ma Dixon eye foda Dixon Fodder or say, may the Almighty God bless your new age with wisdom, strength, good health, and divine protection. Wishing you many more fruitful years ahead, filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. From Emisa Pyros. Inti Emisa Pyros said, ne, Nadia Nina Dixon Fodder, and then Yango Pondia Fiba Kodia Canfa, Yango Ponyo Kes, Yapa, no more Kuma Sobi Sadina, no, Emremu, and from Babla Quantain in the Piasso, Edifres, and Timatem Kumase. At the buyer, a best make a sebonia, dear, see, a Musamu for your mace, Mabelantry, and a Samo at the MIA. Champion tell a dear Copiamo Facebook and a YouTube Macasibono when you be extra yem. My wife has a macassa, Ebom home buying, whom when a man, oh, Fiana, make a Bobby and Jimmy and Chow from Red Da. Now, DJs give me Mr. Samuel for never see from Bruta. Ziggy, and then I want Dennis and Jane. Or the me PMO. Ewo, be beer moi, just me dem online, be beer. Muda Hokrogen was a way as technical producer. Okay, can I make one country and cry me offer? Or say I dare the one for Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy be my day and a bunch of banana or tafrija. Me so swa. Me offer seba, and I draw sick in a pamphlet. One a day. There are you, my dear, no, and a best more. And a Monday. Daddy Lumba Monday special. Yamamunya Monique Tia Adeshe.
Nasela Palm Casino 4GHscratch.com.